Greetings! In a previous video I showed you how I lifted this 392 Dodge Charger. Now I'm going to show you how to lower it. And this is using the QuickJack. So I'm going to go over there, I'm going to get the pendant controller, and I'm going to demonstrate the procedure of how to lower the vehicle using QuickJack. Okay, so you may recall these are the supports. There's one on either side on either frame. So once the vehicle is lifted up hydraulically, you go past this support point over here and kind of back so that this bar locks in. And that is actually what supports the weight of the vehicle. It's locked into place. There's no hydraulic in the system right now. So the procedure to lower this is the reverse. What we're going to do is we're going to add some hydraulic pressure. Okay, it's going to force the frame to go just a tad bit higher, just enough for me to lift these support bars on both sides. And once I do that, then we can lower the vehicle completely. So here we go. So here's the pendant. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the up button, and you can watch over there what happens to that support bar. All right, it starts raising. All right, see how I move forward? Now move forward, I'm just going to check. Yep, there we go. Got the tension released. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Okay, so the tension on the support bars have been released on both sides. I've lifted it up above the wedges that are in this lower rail here. There's little two lift points or two support points. There's one at this level and there's one at the highest level there. So what we're going to do, this little lever here flips back down so that it allows it just to slide back as we lower the vehicle. Now, one thing to keep in mind, make sure there are no hoses or cables or anything under anywhere where the tires are going to fall onto the ground. So I'm going to lower it, and I'm going to watch both sides as I lower, just to make sure everything's going evenly and there's nothing underneath the tires. All right, go slow, so that other support point, I'm going down. And slowly, and we're down. So that's it. It's as simple as that. That's how you lower a vehicle that's been lifted using QuickJack.